one salesman, okay, two mobile shops. Two mobile shops are there. Both are opposite side by opposite to each other. Full competition. One shop wala telling our phone has 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, next so and so display, latest processor like a customer legend and then left. He is always telling, the first mobile shop wala is always telling what we have. What we have. My mobile has so and so memory, so and so dot, and so on. Like customer legend, all these things, and then he left. But he visited second place. Then the salesman smiled. He didn't tell anything. Just he asked, what do you mainly use this phone for? Sir, you are buying a phone. What is the purpose of? What is the usage? For which purpose you are buying this phone? Like customer told, I want to create YouTube videos. I want to create YouTube videos. Salesman replied, this camera gives excellent video quality. Battery is a full battery will be there. Whole day even you are shooting. Editing is very faster. Your videos will look much more professional. Okay, most of YouTubers using this mobile only. Then automatically, what is the feeling of the customer?
We will think to take that only.
Are you seeing the difference, right? The first person told what we have. The second person told what this person required. Then obviously, so this customer immediately purchased. The second salesman never sold a phone. He sold a customer's dream. Okay, he didn't sell a product. He sold customers a dream. Observe that. He is selling results. Ask the questions first. Understand before explaining. Customers buy solutions. Customers won't buy products.